Amidst the hustle and bustle of the automotive industry, an interesting rumor has emerged about Chevrolet. Reportedly, we'll be back in 2026 Chevrolet Delray. Will this be a new sedan? Watch this video in full. Take a look. The 2026 Chevrolet Delray comes with a truly modern and bold design, carrying a striking yet elegant sporty character. Every curve and line on its body is designed to provide optimal aerodynamics. The front of the car is designed clean and seamlessly integrated with the body, presenting a smooth and futuristic silhouette. The slimmer grille blends seamlessly with the body panels, creating a sleek and sophisticated look. Delray's visual identity is reinforced through the use of LED headlights in the form of a thin, sharp silhouette. With a silhouette design that narrows and blends on both sides, forming an elegant yet aggressive horizontal light line. Moving to the rear of the 2026 Chevrolet Delray is designed with a modern minimalist approach, but still carries a strong sporty feel. The design looks clean without excessive ornamentation, highlighting a smooth impression and blending perfectly with the car's body lines. The rear panel surface is made as efficient as possible, forming a smooth visual transition from the roof to the bumper. The main highlight lies in the use of horizontal LED lights that stretch from the left side to the right side, creating a futuristic visual effect while emphasizing the width of the car. This line of light becomes an iconic identity element, presenting a modern and premium impression, especially when lit at night. What do you think after seeing the elegance of the exterior of this car? Now, let's go into the interior. Don't forget to subscribe first. Entering the cabin of the 2026 Chevrolet Delray, you are immediately greeted by a spacious and elegant interior space, creating a premium atmosphere that is comfortable for the driver and passengers. The steering wheel is wrapped in premium material, complete with multifunction controls that make it easy to access various features without having to take your hands off the wheel. The design is firm yet ergonomic, giving a sporty yet classy impression. In the middle, the dashboard looks modern and clean with a neat and intuitive panel arrangement. The main highlight falls on the large and responsive latest generation touchscreen, which is the control center for various entertainment features, navigation, connectivity, and smart vehicle systems. The integration between the digital display and the physical control panel makes the driving experience even more practical and enjoyable. Did you know? The 2026 Chevrolet Delray not only offers an attractive interior appearance, but also presents technology and comfort that make every trip feel special. The 2026 Chevrolet Delray has a smart system in the cabin that can recognize user preferences, such as strengthened with semi-autonomous driving level 2+ technology, including radar-based adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, AEB, 360-degree camera, and ideal temperature smart parking sensors. The 2026 Chevrolet Delray proves that the future is not just about design, but about how technology can improve comfort and safety on every journey. Thank you. See you in the next video.